Hello everyone, MPX Auto is James. We're in Sydney. How are you today? And in this video we'd like to share about how we actually recover the multifunction in the side electric mirrors, the aftermarket system for Dodge Ram 1500, 2500 or 1300, 3500. This truck is 2019. It can be the similar thing like many other Dodge Ram that you have. Now the thing is, you look at this, it has the big side electric mirror fit by the aftermarket system, and the previous installer did nothing except cutting multiple wiring behind the panel. That they didn't do any wiring for the electric system, so they just physically installed the mirror on the truck, and they left everything over there, the wiring all cut, and everything was like just unfinished system before in the truck. But currently everything is ready because we already spent so much time to recover the whole function of the system here, which you can see. At first we can talk about is the rear signal. Okay, so the rear signal, when you turn the signal, it will show the signal on the mirror side here, which is for the rear vision, and also it will turn on the front signal for the front car passing by. Now the next thing that we will recover is about the electric mirror setup, which actually is fully controllable from the factory mirror here, mirror controller over here on the door. So when you press the see that? Yep, so when you press the mirror controller, it moves the electric mirror as we want. So that's the electric mirror connection. It's fully factory over here. Now we talk about the other function. Actually, it will be the electric heated mirror, and we will connect this one soon in the stage 2 to the factory electric heated system in the truck. And what else? We actually have two other more function, which is the reverse light here. So in the stage 2 we will get the reverse light turn on when the truck turn on right here with the two LED lights, which is very useful and safe for the driver to reverse with the light assistant on the big mirror. And the next thing waiting is that this one, it has one of the blind lane changing warning system, that will turn on an arrow of red light on the mirror that is waiting for a setup of the blind changing lanes system that the owner might want to get it fit, and we can install it later. But overall, the full function of this multifunction side mirror already been covered, and we already get it working beautifully, and electronically it's really right with all the functions that we found and cover. So there's no missing function on this mirror that we should tell about. And yep, that is about how we actually recover the whole features on the electric mirrors for the Dodge Ram 1500 or similar like 2500 or 3500. If you have the same one, you know that we can do this if something like this doesn't work in your truck. And you know that this one came with a fully cut wiring behind the panel, so we had to chase down exactly what it was, what it is, and we do the right thing for the connection, and everything is beautiful now. So we already have other video in this truck, and hopefully you enjoy it. So thanks again for watching, and we're looking to see you in another one soon. We have many things that we want to talk about this one, but let's wait until the stage 2, and we will show up more of the work. So thanks again for watching. We'll see you on another one. Good night.